In this video, I will show you step by step how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. So the first thing we need to do is have access to two mobile phone numbers. Now, once we have access to two mobile phone numbers, we can then head over to our settings, go to the search bar, and then we want to search for Juul. Once we do this, you would then want to go to Juul Messenger right there under advanced features. That will then bring you to this page, and what we want to do is we want to scroll down to Juul Messenger. Once we click on this option, that will then give you a list of different options right here, and the one we need in today's video will be WhatsApp. So make sure you toggle it on right there. So as you can see, it does say install a second copy of WhatsApp. So what this means is you will have duplicate installs of WhatsApp. So what we can do is click on install, click on confirm. As you can see, second copy of WhatsApp is now installed. So if we head back over to our home page, as you'll see now, if we go over to our apps, the WhatsApp has now got a duplicate app. If we click into this, we will then be able to create a second account with a second phone number. So that's how simple it is to activate two WhatsApp accounts on the same Android phone.